Welcome all, myself Dency Johnson. Today we are discussing about formwork. Formwork is a temporary structure, is a mold including all supporting structures used to shape and support the concrete until it attains sufficient strength to carry its own weight. It should be capable of carrying all imposed dead and live loads apart from its own weight. Formwork is commonly made up of steel or timber. Formwork has been in use since the beginning of concrete construction. New materials such as steel, plastic, and fiberglass are used in formwork nowadays. Greater attention is being given to the design, fabrication, erection, and dismantling of formwork. Formwork is designed according to the ACI document SP4. Qualities of formwork. It should be watertight, strong, reusable, and contact surface should be uniform. It should be according to the size of member. In order to successfully carry out its function, formwork must achieve a balance of following requirements. Phase 1 containment. Formwork must be capable of shaping and supporting the fluid concrete until it cures. Then strength. Formwork must be capable of safely withstanding without distortion or danger the dead weight of the fluid concrete is placed on it, labor weight, equipment weight, and any environmental impact. Then ease of handling. Form panels and units should be designed so that the maximum size does not exceed that which can be easily handled by hand or mechanical means. Then economy. Although formwork is very expensive, the formwork designer must therefore not only consider the maximum number of times that any form can be used, but also produce a design that will minimize the time taken for erection and striking. Major objectives considered in formwork. Quality. Form must be designed and built with sufficient stiffness and accuracy so that the size, shape, position and finish of the cast concrete are maintained. Then safety. Form must be built with sufficient strength and factor of safety so that they have the capable of all supporting loads. Last one is economy. Form must be built efficiently, minimizing time and cost. Requirements of formwork. Material should be cheap and reusable. It should be practically waterproof so that it should not absorb water from concrete. Swelling and shrinkage should be minimum. Strong enough to withstand all external loads. Deflection should be minimum. Surface should be smooth and afford easy stripping. Light in weight so that easy to transfer. Joints should be stiff so that lateral deformation and leak is minimum. 3 stages in the process: assembly and erection, then concrete placement, last one stripping and dismantling. Formwork is commonly provided for these structural members such as walls, columns, slabs and beams, stairs, chimneys, water tanks and cooling towers. Formwork for wall. This is a figure showing the formwork for wall. It consists of timber sheeting, vertical posts, horizontal members, rackers, stakes and wedges. Then formwork for column. It consists of side and end planks, yoke, nut and bolt. Two end and two side planks are joined by the yokes and bolts. Formwork for slabs and beams. It consists of sole plate, wedges, props, head tree, planks, batten, ledgers. Beam formwork rests on head tree and the slab formwork will rest on batten and joints. Formwork for stairs. This is a figure showing the stair formwork. It consists of vertical and inclined posts, inclined members, wooden planks or sheeting, stringer and riser planks. Formwork for chimneys. For tall chimneys, two types of forms are used: slip form and jump form. First one, slip form. The concrete is poured into a continuously moving form. The purpose of this work is to provide uniform, predefined and well-defined construction of chimneys. The formwork is continuously raised by hydraulic jacks by 1.5 to 3 meter per day, depending on the rate of concrete setting. Second one, jump form. These are constructed in a staged process, high productive system designed to increase speed and efficiency while minimizing labor and train time. This formwork is independently supported. Removal of formwork. Time of formwork removal depends on the following factors. First one, type of cement. The rapid hardening cement requires lesser time as compared to the OPC. Second one, ratio of concrete mix. Rich ratio concrete gain strength earlier as compared to weak ratio concrete. Third one, weather condition. Hydration process accelerates in hot weather condition as compared to cold and humid weather conditions. This is the time of removal of formwork for various structural members. For beam sides, walls and column, for OPC is 2 to 3 days, and for rapid handling cement it is 2 days. For slabs, vertical support remains intact. OPC 4 days and rapid hardening cement 3. For slab, complete formwork removal 10 days for OPC and 5 days for rapid hardening cement. Beams, removal of sheeting props remains intact. 8 days for OPC and 5 days for rapid hardening cement. Beams and arches, complete formwork removal up to 6 meter span. For OPC, it is 14 days, and for rapid hardening cement, it is 5 to 8 days. Beams and arches up above 6 meter span, 21 days for OPC and 8 to 10 days for rapid hardening cement. Maintenance of formwork. Due to continuous use, wooden planks and steel plate surface become uneven and require maintenance. For wooden formwork, use cardboard or plastic fiberboard. Bolt places must also be repaired. For steel formwork, plate must be leveled by mallet and loose corners must be welded. Then cost of formwork. For normal work, cost of formwork is about 30 to 40% of concrete cost. For special work, cost of formwork is about 50 to 60% of concrete cost. Formwork cost is controlled by the following factors: formwork material cost, erecting cost, removal cost, jointing costs such as nails and cables, and labor charges. The advantages of steel formwork is it can be used for a number of times, it is non-absorbent, smooth finish surface is obtained, no shrinkage of formwork occurs, easy to use, its volume is less, its strength is more. Loads acting on a formwork are: first one, dead load. It includes self-weight of formwork, pressure and loads from fresh concrete and reinforcement. Second one, imposed loads such as construction workers and stacking of materials. Then horizontal loads, environmental loads, accidental loads, and wind loads. Thank you.